Good morning, students. We are learning about human health and disease. Today, let us learn about AIDS, AIDS. Full form of AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Deficiency of immune system that is acquired during the lifetime and not congenital disease is called AIDS. One more time, deficiency of immune system that acquired during the lifetime and not congenital disease is called AIDS. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್. ಏಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? AIDS is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. What type of virus it is? Retrovirus. And this retrovirus is a type of RNA virus because retrovirus has a genetic material RNA. Hence, retrovirus is a type of RNA virus. Now, let us see about mode of transmission. AIDS ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is by having sexual contact with infected person. AIDS is also transmitted from contaminated blood during blood transfusion. AIDS is also transmitted from infected mother to child during pregnancy through placenta. Even AIDS is also transmitted by sharing the infected needles which is used by infected person. Even AIDS is also transmitted from organ transplantation from infected donor to recipient. Even by using common razors at barbershop or tonsuring at religious places or getting tattoo without surgical needles, AIDS is transmitted. Symptom of AIDS. AIDS patients ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಲಾಂಗ್ಡ್ ಫೀವರ್, continuous diarrhea you can see which is there for a month, sudden 10% weight loss you can see, minor infection that turns to fatal condition. Some other symptoms that may include persistent cough, swollen glands, itching, rashes you can see in the body, etc. These are some of the common symptoms that can be observed by the AIDS patients. Now let us look at the diagnosis. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? There are several tests are there which are employed to identify the presence of HIV in the blood. Common among them are ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, as well as Western blot technique. These are the two techniques which will indicate the presence of antibodies against HIV infected person. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ against HIV infected person. So that is about diagnosis. Prevention of AIDS. AIDS ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? By avoiding intercourse with multiple partner, by using condoms during intercourse to avoid the risk of infection. AIDS can also be prevented by using sterilized equipments for injection, tattooing ear, nose punching, etc. AIDS can also be prevented by using HIV negative blood for blood transfusion. We should not share any razors or toothbrush with the infected person. So these are the points to prevent the AIDS. Now let us look at the treatment. A group of drug is given for AIDS patient. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ AZT, azithromycin, DCC, dideoxyadenosine, interferons. So these are the common drugs which are given for AIDS patient. These drugs do not destroy HIV virus, but stop their multiplication and growth, and it will give temporary relief. ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ HIV ವೈರಸ್ನ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೋತನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಡ್ಸ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ರಿವೀಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಏಡ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಕಿ ಇಂಟು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ 1990s. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಏಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಾದರೆ there is an organization called NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, and other non-governmental organizations are doing a lot to educate the people about AIDS. A red ribbon is a universal symbol of awareness and support for people living with HIV. Every year, December 1 is a World AIDS Day. HIV infected people need help and sympathy instead of ignorance. And this is all about AIDS. Thank you.